Okie dokie, artichoke. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Is that big truck? Nice. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we got the Goldwing pulled out. We got the Magna pulled out of here. I have the engine sitting over here on the stand. Well, I tell you what, don't really know how well this is going to work out because I don't even know if this engine's ready to run. But god damn it, I'm going to find out. So I can kind of plop her up in there and try and get everything hooked up. Pop the key on. And yeah. Do her to her. Welcome back. So, battery died in the camera. There's a couple of pictures up on the old Instagram. But I figured I would just go ahead and throw the motor into here. She's in. Oh yeah. So, we got some. Well, I think we have Sparky Spark. Might want to test that first, huh? So, let's find me a good ground. Oh, right. So, sorry. Go there. Okay. Let's test this one out. Shoot. Can you push that button for me? Spark there. Ooh. Oh, she squeezed some oils out. That's good. She probably needed the drink. And I got spark there. So that's good. That makes me happy. Also makes me happy that getting oil all over the place. Yes. But that just tells me that there's oil in it, so shouldn't feel bad for cranking on it. Maybe I ought to throw my covers in here. Kind of seems like a good idea. Jeez. Unbelievable. Some people's kids. Worst part is I don't even know why this engine was taken off to begin with. Got it. Heads were off it. Carburetor's off in it. All the bags and the side covers. Engine's not even on here all the way either. So. There's all kinds of nasty stuff in there. Probably ought to wipe that out. What the fuck? Alright, am I missing parts? I feel like I'm missing parts. That was terrible. But that one's off. Alright. I'll be right back, and when you guys come back, these will be on. So, figured out the problem. Somebody completely, how's this hole down here? Just completely wallered it right out. And You can kind of thread it in there, but kind of get a couple threads on it, and then you can just kind of, you can almost pull it right out basically. And that's kind of the shitty thing about working on things that other people have worked on that have no idea what they're doing. I mean, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I don't just take a random bolt and drive it into its new home. You know, that's probably part of the reason that we aren't going to see a whole lot of bike riders here. And, you know, well, or not only bike riders, but just old cars getting rebuilt. Because, you know, people do dumb stuff like that. And really, you know, turn them off from doing this stuff. I mean, it's definitely frustrating. You know, luckily I'm stupid, so I don't learn from my mistakes. But, you know, I get into something like this, and I'm just like, why? Why? Anyways, I'm going to get these on, and then we're going to spray some carburetor cleaner down the old love juice hole. I'm going to put these fancy things on here too. Jeez, that's actually starting to look like a motorcycle. That was like an old lady Saab car, and it definitely sounded like VTEC power. Not like this. What are we doing? We're going to spray down some boom juice, aren't we? This could be bad. This might make the neighbors mad. Okay. Not gonna lie, I don't like that. Oh. Alright. So before we're going to go any further, I'm going to pop the exhaust on. This is going to suck a lot. Wish you guys could help me, but oh well. Can't really mount the exhaust until I get the rest of the engine bracing in, so I'm going to have to do that too. Alright, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that all too well, but guess I'll figure that out in the editing stage. Alright, let's try to get this puppy on here. I had to drop my jack all the way down. I didn't really want to do, but ow! Pinch my finger. Alright, so go find my nuts. The best part of waking up is just not giving a fuck. No. That's probably for the big rod. Where's the big rod? Sorry, sometimes you just can't pass up a good rod joke. And I wish I was the one that took this bike apart. That'll really make my life easy. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm dealing with right here, is where the pads go. Where's my book? My book has pictures. Let's go find my book. Let's got a picture. But yeah, them were the stockies. So maybe that one up there. I can't imagine you'd put your legs up over, but oh shoot. Well, I got other parts in here, so look at that. That's probably what I need. Hold on, you guys can't even see. That might be what I need. We'll go somewhere like that, maybe, potentially, perhaps. No, it's not that one. Trust me, it's not that one. Now it goes to the Magna. So, I don't know. Maybe we can figure something out. Worst case, Ontario. Just grab the original peg, and then I can mess around with that some other time. Because I want this thing to go boom. Yeah, go figure. Camera dies. So, yeah. Man, just look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? That actually looks like a fucking motorcycle. That's, timing covers are over here. So, once I get those new gaskets in for the front, I think that's when I'm going to start to figure out these highway, footrest, traveler, whatever they are. I don't know. This bike didn't come with instructions, so. Yeah, this is pretty friggin' cool. Definitely got to do some work here. This is a little, yeah, and like that. I don't even know what that is. Sorry for the paint spatter on this bike. What is that? Focus. JCA. What even? Like, was somebody trying to drag this bike or something? I don't know. But, yeah, man, this is just way too cool. This bike's going to look pretty decent when we get her all shined up. I wonder if she sounds better with a little bit of this going on. Yeah, man, this is too cool. You guys are never going to guess how much I spent on this bike. And if you have a guess, put it down. Put down the diddly. Put it down below. And curious to see, because I know some of you guys know how much I did pay for this bike. And so you guys aren't allowed to guess. But all the other guys that like to watch, you know, take a gander at how much I paid for this. That's good for it. Well, I think this is where I'm going to end this. You know, hopefully some of you guys have been paying attention on the Instagram and Facebook, because putting little you know, snippets of progress on there, and we'll appreciate you guys tagging along for the ride on this thing. We still got a few things to do, but yeah, we're almost there. Till next time.